let's replace the AC compressor on this 2013 Chevy Sonic. It has the 1.8 naturally aspirated engine. I'm gonna start by recover the refrigerant out of the system. For that reason, I'll highly suggest you take the vehicle to a shop to get it recovered, and you can replace the compressor yourself if you're DIY. So we're gonna start by removing the passenger side tire, and we're going to remove those splash guard. By removing those push pins using a trim tool. And we're gonna remove that bolt. There are 7mm, C15, and 10mm. And there is another T15 right behind that plastic piece. And we're going to push. You don't have to remove it completely. I'm just going to put it on the side so I can have a better access to the engine. Now, as you guys see here, the compressor is leaking. That's what the green stuff are. And I pull the splash shield out, and we're gonna remove our drive belt. Make sure you pay a good attention to the orientation or take good pictures of it. We're gonna use a 90mm socket, a 12-point socket to compress the tensioner to remove the belt. You turn it counterclockwise and you take the belt out. And let's unplug the AC compressor clutch. And we're gonna remove the AC lines. They are 30mm. It will be best if you use a 1/4" ratchet and a 30mm and get a better access from the top. I'm using a 12" and a 6" extension to reach all the way down there to get it off. I'm switching gears using my Milwaukee ratchet to speed up the process. And let's recover the old bolt. There it is. So remember, guys, if you didn't know, the AC compressor have a high side and a low side. Most of the time they're separate from the compressor. That's why I ended up doing it 2 times. I did the high side first, and I'm doing the low side. And you're gonna hear a hissing noise when those pipes come out, which is normal. And now let's remove the bolt. They are 30mm. There is about 3 or 4 of them. There is one here, and there is one on top. And one in the back. There you go. Here's our new compressor. They usually come with a cap. It's held by a 30mm. Usually, if you buy it from GM, it'll come with a bolt that hold the cap on top of the AC port. It wouldn't hurt if you add a little bit of pag oil. All you have to do, you just add two drop in the compressor. It will be fine. You add 2 drop and spin the compressor a few times by hand, and the oil will circulate in the chambers. Now let's replace our AC line seals. There are 2 of them, a big one and a small one. One for the high side, one for the low side. we're going to replace them. You can reuse them, but it will be best if you replace it. The vehicle's pretty old, you might as well just replace them. Good. Put our compressor in, put the line in, and start putting the bolt in. Let's put the top bolt. What I'm doing, I'm just putting the bolt in and finish it from the top, since I have better access. And now let's put our compressor bolt. They are 30mm once again. Good. Now let's plug our connectors. And now we're going to put our belt around the compressor. You compress the tensioner going counterclockwise and put the belt around it. Good. And now let's restart everything. Put our splash shield back where it belongs. And that will be it, guys. The next step will be to recharge the compressor, recharge the AC system. If you take it to a shop and get it recharged, and you should be good to go. Of the bolt in. Good. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.